Are you missing an opportunity to enhance your yard with accessories? Resale shops can offer unique and creative items that can stylize your backyard at a very low cost. In this video, I'm going to show you some unlikely types of items to look for in resale shops that will elevate your outdoor experiences. You'll start thinking outside the box when I show you what interior items work well outdoors. Most of these items are easy to find at resale shops. Then I'll show you what I bought for my own yard decor and for backyard entertaining. Keep your eye out for metal pieces. Metal is unbreakable. You can easily change the colors, and it can endure the coldest winters. An item that looks outdated on the inside of your home can still have a new life as stylish outside decor. This large metal wall hanging is a great example of something that can be hung outside on your house or fence. It would also look great as a focal point in a garden area. At $9.99, it's a real outdoor decorating bargain. And keep in mind, you can always change the colors of any of these items. This was an old metal frame that I added this quirky fish element to. We live on a river, so these two make the perfect combination for our deck area. Metal baskets are perfect for the outdoors because you can fill them with hardy items such as pine cones, or you can even line them with peat moss and plant a flower. The openness of these baskets are ideal for outside decor because the rain will naturally filter out. Wrought iron pieces like this offer a lot of outdoor opportunities. Same with this old candle holder that's missing its glass. Small flower pots would fit snugly within the metal rings. Here's a tabletop version where those same small flower pots would work. Pillar candles would look amazing too. Items with heavy bottoms like this are ideal for stability in the wind, and this would be great on a tabletop. Sizable metal vases like this really make a statement in your yard. All you need to do is drill a hole in the bottom with a metal drill bit for drainage, and then add enough stone to the inside where it will become very stable in the wind. Wooden items are also very ideal for the outdoors. Wood is strong, durable, natural, and adds a lot of character. This coat hook piece is a functional example of an indoor item that can be used outdoors. This would be amazingly useful right next to a pool area for towels and robes, and it would also work great in a hot tub area. If you see two matching wooden chairs, snap them up for your outdoors. With two, you can create a unified seating area anywhere in your yard. It's so easy to transform indoor wooden chairs into outdoor chairs. You just need to use the proper exterior paints and top coats. These were an absolute steal at $2.99 each. When you go to resale shops, look for small wooden items with a lot of character. They make great garden accessories. I'm really excited about this piece. It's a small wooden pedestal with metal accents, and it has storage space inside. Because this is a lightweight wood, I'm going to hit it with a couple of coats of an exterior clear coat to seal it from the weather. I'll post a link in my description of an all-purpose outdoor clear coat that I use often. I can't wait to show you in an upcoming video how to transform these ordinary TV trays into functional and gorgeous outdoor eating tables. Don't forget to look for glass and ceramic when you're at resale shops. There should be a great selection available to you because most people don't realize that ceramics and glass can be used as outdoor decor. Glazed accessories can stay out even in freezing weather as long as they aren't absorbing water that eventually freezes. This handsome guy has remained perfect after 3 years in all kinds of freezing weather. To turn this into an outdoor pot, all you need to do is carefully wet drill a hole on the bottom so that you have drainage. This is the kind of pot you'd want to take in the wintertime. After some touch-up and recolorizing, these would make very expensive looking outdoor decorations. The next category of what to look for in resale shops for your outdoors is wicker and rattan. There are countless inexpensive wicker pieces offered at resale shops on a continual basis. They will easily last an entire summer just as they are, but if you want to make them last for many years, all you need to do is add an exterior stain or a sun protective top coat. I colorized this indoor ottoman with an exterior stain. It's still going strong after several seasons of rain and snow. As you're finding all of this great decor at a resale shop, make sure you check out the items that would be great for outdoor entertaining. I couldn't resist this punch bowl. For $10.99, it came with 12 glasses and a ladle. And what's really unique about this punch bowl is it's actually a pitcher where you can grab the handle and pour out of the spout. I predict that we're going to be serving some pretty festive drinks on our deck this summer. One resale shop that I was at also had a section of entirely brand new items. These brand new acrylic cups are a beautiful sea glass green, and they were only 99 cents for 8 of them. So I got 16 for $1.98. Also, I was able to get this brand new coordinating ice bucket that came with its own ice tongs for only $2.99. Resale shops can offer some really exciting decor for your outdoor spaces. The proper use of indoor items like metals, wood, wicker, and glassware can all make unique and creative impact in your own outdoor retreat. Let us know some of your own thrift store finds in the comments. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.